Oh my God. Walking the piles. Different spot. So I figure I was on my last pass. I'm at the bottom. Just gonna make my way along here, go up around. I made it about halfway. Made it right here. And I spotted this glass bottle just hanging, kinda. It's a local medicine bottle. If I don't fall. Cherry color. Something. Cough, cold. CK short, St. John. Oh my God. It's just sitting there. I hope that the neck is there. And I'm right on the edge of this hill, kinda. Oh, here goes. Come on. Oh, I was out at the other spot today and found that ginger beer sitting on top of the ground. Find number 2 today. Come on. Oh, I think it might well be there. Am I watching? Oh, I can't see. It's too bright. My hand's in the way. There it is. Oh, it's all there. Oh, that's sweet. That is sweet. Cherry collar cures cough and colds. CK shorts. Short, St. John, New Brunswick. Ooh, what a nice find. Thank you very much. Man, does it ever look in good shape. Oh, lucky, lucky. Thanks for watching. Has the bottle ever warmed the glass? Sitting in the sun all day, every day. All right, I'm gonna keep looking hard. Okay, thanks. See you again.